What has 6 cameras and is just 8.1mm thin? Well, that's not a philosophical riddle, folks, as it's exactly what OPPO's latest phone, the Reno3 Pro packs, and today we're going to find out what's in the box and discover why it's one of OPPO's most powerful phones yet for 2020. Welcome back, ladies and gents, to another episode of High Tech Century. This time around, we're taking a closer look at OPPO's latest magnum opus, the OPPO Reno3 Pro. Out of the box, you get a SIM ejector pin, soft TPU casing, the phone itself, a USB Type-C cable, a 30-watt VOOC 4.0 flash charger, and a pair of hard earbuds. Another thing to note is that OPPO has pre-applied a screen protector to the phone display itself, so that's pretty generous. The OPPO Reno3 Pro comes with a glass back that looks shiny and premium, but it kind of attracts fingerprints aplenty. The build and design are straightforward, with a power button on the right, volume rocker on the left, along with a SIM card tray. And at the base, we have a USB Type-C port, and an audio jack plus a grill for the speaker. Up front, the phone has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio that's covered in Gorilla Glass 5. There's a pill-shaped cutout on the corner which holds one of the more unusual features of the Reno3 Pro, a dual front camera. One sensor is a 44-megapixel camera, while the other is a 2-megapixel depth sensor for bokeh effects when you're capturing shots. The hardware under the hood consists of a MediaTek Helio P95 octa-core processor, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of expandable storage, which has a performance envelope sufficient for most tasks. Under the hood, the phone runs Android 10 along with their ColorOS 7 user interface. There's one interesting benefit to the OPPO Reno3 Pro, as it has Widevine Level 1 certification, allowing it to run Netflix at Full HD resolution, which is a nice bonus if you're a movie junkie. The back of the phone has a 64-megapixel primary camera, a secondary 13-megapixel camera with 2x optical zoom, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel mono sensor. Here's a sample where we took the steady mode for a test drive, and we filmed some footage at Full HD resolution at a normal walking pace. Here's another test drive where we took a shot on auto mode at night and on their dedicated night mode, which has a 30-second exposure and needs a tripod, but which yields some pretty impressive results, as you can see here. In Malaysia, the OPPO Reno3 Pro costs 2,399 ringgit and comes in your choice of 2 colors. It's either in Auroral Blue or Midnight Black for the Malaysia market. Stay tuned for a full review, and in the meantime, like and follow us on High Tech Century and on our Facebook page for more unboxing videos and reviews too. Signing off.